Thankfully, that's not the case right now. I want to get you the latest on the 7 o'clock advisory with Milton. Now, you can see winds as of the moment coming out, moving to the northeast at 15 miles per hour, winds 120 miles per hour. Pressure down to 952. And here's a look at the latest path. Again, expected to make landfall fairly soon. Here's a look. We are expecting this to still maintain its intensity as a Category 3 hurricane as it makes landfall and then moves right over central Florida, at least the southern portions of our area as we go into the overnight hours, and then weaken as it crosses the peninsula, and you can see become a tropical storm as it enters the Atlantic. Now, one of the reasons why this is expected to weaken a little further as we go into the overnight hours is this dry air that's starting to eat away at its southwestern periphery, but it can't eat it away enough because it's still going to be a major hurricane at landfall. And speaking of landfall, taking a look at the ruler here. So the landfall is technically when the center of the eye moves over to land, not the eye wall. And so taking a look at the center of the eye, which is right now about 29 miles per hour southwest of Sarasota. Based on that, this is expected to make landfall just a little bit after 9 o'clock our time here. So we are watching for landfall anywhere between 8:30 to about 9 o'clock, 9:15 our time. We are seeing wide swath of rain already with this. Some areas have easily picked up a half a foot of rain. Look at this. Drenching downpours from Daytona Beach to DeLand, the Villages, Leesburg, Bushnell, Sanford, Titusville. Some areas have picked up 7 inches of rainfall, and it continues to pour across our area. By the time this is all said and done, some areas will easily pick up a foot of rainfall. And look at this, we have a flash flood warning in effect for the Orlando metro, including Brevard, Orange, Seminole, Volusia counties, affecting 1.8 million people. And that's because well over 3 to 6 inches of rain have fallen in these counties, and we could see an additional half a foot before it's said and done. We also have a flood warning in effect for Polk County as well. All the areas that you see in the green polygon are all areas that are currently under some flood advisory. And unfortunately, we'll continue to see this rain as we go through tonight into the overnight hours, bring us drenching downpours. And then finally, this system is expected to move off to the east offshore, finally bring us some improvement. But up until then, though, Marquise, we are going to see things continue to go downhill.